beauties. I've missed you guys so much. I know I've been away for a while. My sincere apologies, but I'm bringing you good content today. So today I have a client. Yes, I started to record the session we had, and to some extent, I felt there were a bit of challenges, but we worked on it. I'm actually hoping to have her back in my seat this time, let's say as a model. So let me know in the comments if you're interested in me having model, like me having other models, or me having her back on my channel. I'll really be so grateful to hear from you guys. But yeah, let's actually get into this whole tutorial. So I'm wiping off her face, wiping off all the excess oils and all the dirt from her face using my makeup prep kind of routine. So that's to use the witch hazel and the makeup wipe, and then I go in to use a first primer and sometimes a second primer if I'm looking out for full coverage and if I really want the makeup to last a whole lot longer. So I go in to use two primers. I actually skipped the step of hydration and I brought it to the very end. You see that when we get to that section, and I'm going in to use I think I use the Maybelline Superstay foundation and the Wet and Wild. I'm not so sure, but I'll definitely leave that in the description and the shades. Yeah, I'll definitely leave that. And I'm using the Colorbox I think this is the Pro Deluxe brush. I'm not so sure, but I'm also going to leave the links to these Instagram accounts and all that as to where I get my stuff from. So in case you're interested in also getting like same stuff, similar stuff, you could always check your Instagram account and get in touch with them and all that good stuff. So I'm using some concealers today. I first went in to use the AOA concealer and then I went in to use a mixture of like fawn and a brighter foundation just to create that kind of brightness underneath the eye and all the other highlighted places. And then I go into blend, um so very necessary. So the very first person to comment on my previous video was Yvonne Quashie. So a big shout out to you, sending you all my love. Thank you so much. So after all the blending is done, the good work is done. I went in to use the Colorbox highlight brush together with the Black Secret mineral press powder to highlight, underneath her eyes while I concealed. And then I go in to use the Micolor. The last two shades, I blend that together to create that kind of warmth and contoured feel in her face. So onto the brows. Today I'm not using my regular eyebrow routine whereby I use the brow pencil. I actually did use a brow mascara. So do let me know if you're interested in like me doing a video of how I use the brow mascara as my eyebrow base, I should say. This also comes in really pretty. So yeah, let me know if you guys are interested. So leave a comment if you want to see how I do my brows using the brow concealer. Did I say brow concealer? Sorry, brow mascara. So I go in to clean underneath the brow, just underneath the brow, because the top is fine, and I blend that through to create that kind of highlighted brow act feel. It comes out so pretty. You could see I started with one eye and then I stopped and moved to the other because I wasn't so sure the kind of look I was creating for her. So this look was almost like move with the flow, move with the vibes kind of. But I really, really liked the way the look came out. So it had this pinks and dark pinks and kind of mustardy yellow and some white in the inner corners of the eye that's acting as like the inner shimmers to brighten up the eye and all that stuff. So I actually created this beautiful mascara crease. It really wasn't my intention to create a car crease or anything of that sort, but well, this is how the whole look came out, and it was really, really pretty. Especially when it comes to doing the eyes, it's so very difficult not to be in the camera. So my sincere apologies for kind of disturbing the recording, but yeah, I really like the way this look came out. And then the unfortunate thing happened, so we had to change her location. So yeah, but here I'm just applying the eyeliner. So I did a double line, like a double eyeliner look, so the black and then the white right on top, and it wasn't bad. Like, I think this is my first time, or no, I think the very first time was with glitters on a client, but this is the first time I'm doing like a white eyeliner on top of an eye, like of a black eyeliner eyeshadow. It came out pretty well. So I just went back in with the black and with the white to correct all the mistakes. Then at this point, I felt it was high time I start blending her face again. Like, I'm just thankful this recording like came through together, because at one point I thought we couldn't get the recording to be done. So I applied some mascara. She really has like watery eyes, so it was tough doing the mascara and fixing her lashes. So yeah. And then I go in to hydrate her face. So now I'm using my DIY rose water to kind of bring back that glow within. And I use some blush, put some mascara beneath her lower lash line. Did I say her lip? And yeah, apply some lipstick, some lip gloss, top up everything. Everything came out really beautiful, guys. Trust me. You could actually see everything came out. She had this beautiful soft look, and I loved it. Her eyes are beautiful. It's actually another reason why I want to have her back on my channel, because I feel eyes are really pretty. Her eyes, it makes her eye look really stand out. And I use some Colorbox high maintenance melanin glow to kind of highlight her face. This came out really pretty. I love the way it came out, and trust me guys, it was a bomb. It was a bomb. So yeah, let me leave her to feel herself and feel bougie. But I really love the way this look came out. If you also did love the way the look came out, please don't forget to like this video, give me a big thumbs up, and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And don't forget to leave a comment as well. Everything I use will be in the description. And yeah, I pretty much will see you soon. Take care. Bye.